The second part is the doctors are really encouraged to reassure patients and to explain habituation, which is an absolute key factor to improvement, that they can understand that they can live with tinnitus without being bothered by it. And the second part is cognitive behavior therapy and acceptance and commitment therapy, both of which we offer in the club. But we go one step further. We don't only offer cognitive behavior therapy and acceptance and commitment therapy, we also offer a weekly coaching session where you connect with people from all over the world who are going through exactly the same, and you get personal insights and tips on how to apply everything that we have inside our club onto your personal tinnitus journey.